Hey Trish, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I got permission from Tina to send over this video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a look at your website, got a nice header, you got your logo, you got all your drop downs with the different um, services you provide, and then going through once again different services you provide, different pictures, and then all the different companies all the brands you work with, and then you hit the bottom. So you do have a lot of pictures and a lot of nice stuff. However, what Google is truly looking for right now is, or at least nowadays, is content. They're looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. The reason for that is so that you can put organic keywords throughout your site. Now, what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word someone's putting into Google to find your specific service. However, before we get deeper into that, let's check behind the scenes about your website. The way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs. So we put in Morris Flooring, out pops your rankings. So the two things we focus on are the UR rating, which is the strength of your website, and the DR rating, which is Google's trust in your website. Now, ideally, we want these both between 30 and 40, with a ratio of about 1 to 1. That's what we call the golden ratio. 16 and 8, not terrible either. The way you get that higher, though, is with backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia will be an awful link because Wikipedia is a super spammy site. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be great because that's relevant to your service. Now, another important thing are those organic keywords. What buyer intent words are you ranking for? So you have 73 of them. Let's check them out. So we're going to go to the top, Morris Flooring, carpet inlay, Morris Flooring, Brighton Flooring. So I know you're located in Brighton. However, there's not much search volume there. As you can see, only 30 people are searching in Brighton. Inlay flooring, inlay. Uh, as you can see, not many actual like words or buyer intent words for your area. So you have a lot of info or like tile with floor with wood inlay. However, that could be anyone in the United States or anyone with Google searching for that. It's not necessarily people in Denver or Brighton. So let's check out just because Denver is going to be your highest in terms of search volume as well as the best buyer intent words. Let's check out what the top one is. Flooring Denver. So first thing that's going to pop up is your GMB. This is super important to get on because the Google My Business page, 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these three people. The reason for that being is that's just the easiest thing to do. And then, of course, you're going to have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. So your top competitor will be Colorado Flooring. So let's check out their site and see why they're number one. So Colorado Flooring, they got a lot going on. They have their phone number, not a click to call, which is unfortunate, but everyone has stuff they can work on. They have all the different services they work with. Then they don't have a ton. Going to be honest. Um, they have a really small site, or at least really small homepage, as far as what I would recommend. But let's check behind the scenes and see why they're number one. So as you can see, their strength, perfect 30, and their trust, only a 2.3. So they still have stuff they can work on. However, what they are doing extremely well is their backlinks. They have almost 1,000 different backlinks helping their website along, as well as they're ranking for almost 1,000 for over 1,100 keywords. Now, doesn't mean all those keywords are great. As you saw on your site, not all of them are actually helping you along, but let's check what their keywords are. So, Flooring Denver, 800 people a month are searching for that keyword. They're in the first real position, as you saw. They're getting through their site 325 people just from that one keyword. Colorado Flooring. That is them. That doesn't really count. They're number one for their own name, of course. So they're getting 146 traffic from that. Denver Flooring Stores, 300 people. They're in the first real position, 115 people, 115 traffic from that. So as you can see, they're ranking for great Denver flooring keywords, and they're getting that traffic because they're on the front page near the top for most of them. So if you're looking to beat them out, take that from them. First things first, you got to beat them out in backlinks. Um, you got to raise your backlink count up um, at least 100 more than they have. Great thing is, you already have 170, and they're doing pretty well. So the great thing is, you can just take theirs, add them to yours, and that'll help your URDR rating skyrocket to beat them out. And then you got to get that content. You want that 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage, and then, of course, your service pages to have another 500, 700 words so that you can organically place those buyer intent words that you saw them ranking for, so that you can show Google you want to rank for them as well, and put those together with a strong website and ranking, or trying to rank for those buyer intent words. You'll start seeing yourself go up in the rankings, get more traffic, and of course, get more calls through your website. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you could leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day. And Merry Christmas.